Welcome back to the Canvas Tutorial Show. I'm Evan and I'm back with a 2-minute tip on how you can increase the speed of your course development by duplicating modules. But we're going to have a problem, and so stick with me as we work through this. Here we go. So here I just have a sandbox course and I already have some modules in it. If I wanted to move very quickly, I might duplicate a template module. And what I mean by that is that if you create a module and throw in assignment types that you have already created the template for it, for example, let's say I have a lab report, and let's say I have a particular type of discussion, and it's going to follow the same style type every time I post it. Create a module with those types in it. Don't publish it. And then when you want to create your new unit, you just come up here into the upper right. This is where the snowman menu is. You're going to click on that, and it's going to say duplicate. And what that will do, we'll just do that right there. You see that it's duplicating module. Bam. And now I have a copy of it. Okay. And most of the time that's going to work just fine. However, sometimes it won't. I'm going to look here. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this module. Look here, and there is no duplicate button. Why is that? Well, the answer is right here in this quiz, is that it won't duplicate if there's a quiz item because you can't duplicate that quiz item. Okay. If I were to click on any one of these individual items, it would let me to duplicate the individual item. That was this text header. Come on. All right. There you go. Duplicate any of the course items. You can't do files and you can't do text headers. But if you have a quiz in your module, it's not going to let you duplicate it. Here's the workaround. Okay. If you want to have a quiz in your module, before you duplicate it, all you got to do is grab it, drag it to another module, duplicate it, and then when you're done, drag it back. Right like that. All right, this has been just a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to duplicate modules to increase the speed of your course development. If you haven't already, make sure you follow the show at Canvas Tuts, join our community, and share it out so that everybody gets the good stuff. Have a great day.